Tormenta Rampaging Run is a B&M Giga Dive Coaster opening in 2026 at Six Flags over Texas. Okay, I got the lift hill and half of the drop done and the holding brake. I'm going to turn the fan cutter on here, so prepare your ears. So it comes over here, stops, I flick this switch, and then it drops. Here, I'll turn this off for you guys. But, I mean, this is pretty bumpy. The lift hill's pretty bumpy, but it works. So I'm going to keep it like this until it breaks, and then I'm going to have to do it again. But I think it looks pretty well. And speaking of bull-themed coasters, because Tormenta Rampaging Run is bull, El Toro is also bull-themed coaster. So after this drop, it would go into Big Immelman, world's tallest Immelman at 218 feet. Turn out, world's tallest vertical loop at 179 feet, I believe, or 171. Then another Immelman, but it doesn't come down to the ground, into mid-course. Drop off mid-course. Another Immelman, and then a cut back around the drop, and then world's longest brake run into the station, and then, yeah. So it's a short coaster, but tall coasters do not mix well with me. So we'll see how this goes. Okay, I got the drop done into the 218-foot tall Immelman. This is very short Immelman. I mean, you look at it compared to the drop. Let me see a good angle there. The top of it is only like this far up the drop. So like halfway up the drop. I mean, I feel like I might have to make it higher later, but as of now it works. So after that I need to go into vertical loop, another Immelman, and then mid-course brake run. But once I hit the mid-course, I should be fine because it's just an Immelman and a cutback, and those are pretty easy to make small. Like vertical loops are very hard to make small because you have to make them very tiny, and it's annoying to build small, but I think it looks pretty good so far. I just completely forgot to film me building the Immelman mid-course and Immelman and cutback, but yeah, I have the Immelman into the mid-course, into the Immelman, into the cutback done. All I have to do is just really long brake run and connect it all back up. So it's looking good so far. And it has enough speed, and I think this should work out pretty well. I'll show you a test run right now. Here we go.